welcome back to the vlog. I'm Lexi Nardoni if you're new here, and I'm with my co-host Gatsby and my other co-host Charlize. And today we are going to the Northern Cascades National Park, or trying to. Let's get going. We're slipping and sliding, but in Northern Cascades National Park. Some wood bark, yeah, really cool. I'm gonna tell them about. So we saw that tree had fallen on our way in, and then I passed it again and I was like, wait, should we get some? And we got out, and then this lady passed by, super nice that she stopped, and she goes, are you okay? And the only explanation I could give them was, yeah, just, and then I just held up the piece of bark, and that was about it. But yeah, we're on our way to Seattle now, so to drop off Charlize. Sad. You're welcome. I just dropped Charlize off. We're gonna go to Medford now. It's about a 7-hour drive, but I am gonna start in Corvallis to see my friend again one more time and get dinner or something. But I'll show you guys like the rest of the road trip until it gets dark, and then I'll see you guys to log off. Hey guys, so it is the next day and I'm already at my cousin's house and I'm gonna go home tomorrow, but I forgot to finish this vlog. I was just so sad after I dropped off Charlize, and then I saw my friend Julianne for dinner real quick, and then I drove another 3 hours to Medford. So literally yesterday was like exhausting by the time I got to the hotel. So I'm gonna log off here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe down below for more vlogs, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.